Hi everyone, thanks for watching my video tutorial on how to compare Medicare Part D plans using the new plan finder on Medicare's website. I've played around a little bit with the new plan finder. I think it's pretty easy to use, a little bit more intuitive than the previous version. So hope it is something that makes comparing Part D plans a little easier for those of you on Medicare. So I'm gonna just go through. You see, I've started on Medicare's website. Medicare.gov is the website. So you want to start at Medicare.gov. Right now, they have both plan finders active. I'm going to recommend that you go ahead and use the new plan finder because they're going to discontinue the old one at some point, probably around October 1st, if I had to guess. So right now, you want to go down here to where it says try it now. Click that button, and that will bring you up to the next screen, which is the initial screen. Find a Medicare plan. If you already have a My Medicare account, you can go to log in or create an account. If you don't have an account, you can click there to create one. For our purposes, I'm going to continue without logging in. You should see the same information when you are logged in. So the first question is, what do you want to do? We're going to view plans. Then we're going to go down. We're going to do drug plan Part D. Then you're going to type in your zip code. I'm just going to use my zip code. Do you have a Medicare number? If you have a Medicare number, it's probably best to go ahead and enter it here. I'm not going to enter one, but when you do enter one, that enables you to save your medications within the system. So if you come back to look at it later, you'll be able to have everything saved in there. And then also that enables you to be able to enroll in a plan if you decide that you want to change plans or change from what you have or enroll in a plan. So I'm going to just do a date of birth that puts me in an initial enrollment period. You'll see that when you type in your date of birth, if you're not in your initial enrollment period, then you won't be able to do anything until after October 1st on this website, because that's when the plans go active on the Medicare website, the plans for 2020. Do you get help with your costs from one of these programs? If you do, go ahead and select which one of those you have. I'm going to put I don't get help and then click next. Do you want to see your drug costs when you compare plans? We're going to put yes there. That's the whole point of doing this, so we can see which plan covers your medications the best. How do you normally fill your prescriptions? You should select whichever option you prefer. I'm just going to put retail so I can show you how that works, and next. And then that brings you to the screen where you enter the names of your medications. I'm just going to pick a couple of pretty common medications here, just for comparison purposes. Just going to enter those in and then add to my drug list. And then if you're not finished, you can go to add another drug right here. If you are finished, you just click done. And then that brings you up to the next screen where you can select pharmacies. So you can pick which pharmacy you prefer. You can compare multiple pharmacies by checking multiple checkboxes. I'm going to go with just picking a pharmacy there and then click done. Then the next screen that you see is where you can actually see all of the plans listed. You see that there's 28 drug plans in my county. They initially are sorted by lowest monthly premium. So you'll see the lowest premiums for next year listed on the left-hand side here. That corresponds to the plan name. If you want to change that, which I do recommend, especially if you take any medications, I recommend that you change that to lowest drug cost, because that's going to give you the actual cost of your medications on each of these different plans. It's going to rank the plans based on that. So you can see you've got the deductible here, and then it says your retail pharmacy estimated cost here, mail order pharmacy estimated cost here. You can click several of these plans Let's just go with clicking a couple of them. We'll click the top 3 here, and we'll add those to the comparison. And what that does is that enables you to click compare here. Then it's going to pull up the plans in a side-by-side format. That's way easier to read than previous versions of this plan finder. So it has the premium at the top, then the deductible, then it tells you how many of your drugs are covered, 2 of 2 on all those plans, and then it tells you your estimated yearly drug cost, and then your mail order cost. So that's your cost for your medications for the whole year. And then once you pick a plan, if you decide if you want to stay with the same plan, you don't have to do anything. So your plan will renew automatically. If you want to change plans from what you currently have, you simply pick the plan that you want, click enroll, which is just the green buttons here. If you want to look at the plan in more detail before you make a decision to enroll, click plan details. Then you can see the exact cost on each of the different plans, your estimated monthly drug cost. This is for the remainder of this year. But then it will go through and tell you what tier your medications are on. You can look at pretty much anything you want to see about the plan there. And then once you do decide you want to switch or enroll, you click the enroll button here, and that's going to tell you exactly what information you need to enroll in this plan. And once you click start, that will take you to the enrollment center on Medicare's website, which is their secure enrollment tool. This is really the easiest way to enroll, in my opinion, using Medicare's website. You can compare all the plans in a centralized place. You don't have to deal with going through the different plan websites, which most of which are not as user friendly as this new version on Medicare's website. It's going to walk you exactly through what you need to do. Has the different steps on there, and will walk you through exactly how to enroll in the plan, and then it will confirm your enrollment once you've done that. So that's everything you need to know about comparing the plans on Medicare's website. If you have any questions, please reach out to us and let us know. Thanks for watching our video.